We're back in the Belling kitchen to kick off the week with some delicious baking, which is a perfect thing to stock up the school lunch boxes, or actually in my house probably last about a day. And Rachel, we are making muffins today.
We are lemon sour cream muffins.
Yes.
Into the bowl I've got 115 grams of butter, just at room temperature, makes it easier, and about 2/3 of a cup of white sugar. And I'm going to cream it together. Spot anything new today, Mel?
We've got a new mixing thing.
I have a new KitchenAid hand mixer, which
nice.
I can learn how to use it. There we go.
Oh, look how quiet it is.
It is very quiet, isn't it? Okay, so this is creaming together now. There we go. I'm going to add in a lemon
out of the way.
Juice of a lemon. So hopefully no pips in there. Do you want to do that half for me?
You don't even have pips in your... Oh, you took
No,
the
no, I
pips
took
out.
the pips out. They're not magic lemons.
What magic fancy lemons do you have on your tree? Okay.
And add in, I've got 3/4 of a cup of sour cream.
Doing it, Jamie. Jamie, all the
There we
stars.
go, look at you.
Okay.
3/4 of a cup of sour cream. So it's a good way to add some sort of nice, creamy, fatty goodness. A teaspoon of vanilla essence. And we'll just mix it together again.
Okay, hang on.
I've got faith, Mel. I've got faith in you.
One.
Perfect.
Yes, and just 2 eggs?
Yes, please.
Okay. Don't look at my technique here. I'm not a one-handed egg breaker.
2 cups of flour. I've got 2 teaspoons of baking powder and a 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda and salt as well. Also going to add, you know, please could I have
zest.
some lemon zest.
I can zest, okay.
I'm going to start folding this in.
Yep,
in it goes. So no waste. I mean, I think to start with I did just use the zest of 1 lemon, and then I like my lemon baking to be quite zingy and zesty. And yeah, so like I said, this makes about 10, 12 muffins or 16 smaller ones.
Yum. So how far up the case should you fill it?
Well, about 3/4 full.
Okay.
I mean, I'll just keep going because I know that this makes...
This is television. Yeah,
this
you know what you're
amount.
doing. Cool, well you keep doing that because I want these to be baked. So how long do they need to go in the oven for?
About 20 minutes. 20 minutes in the oven.
What sort of temperature?
190. Just finished them off with a little dusting of icing sugar. Yum. You can smell all the lemony freshness, lemons from my tree. If you've got lemons, if you make this, I'd love to know how yours turn out.
Yum.
I'll bring them over, shall I?
Bring them over. Oh, goody good. So that is morning tea sorted out.